Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the remaining part of business studies. Marketing management is packaging. Dear students, first of all, we will discuss what is the meaning of packaging. Generally, packaging is an activity which is concerned with the designing of product of an appropriate wrapper, container, jar, tube, bottle. In these, the product is sold in the market in a package. Clear? Packaging, it is a product design, wrapper, container, jar. Generally, today each firm is always produce the goods and services and sell in a packed form. Clear? Now we discuss the level of packaging. Dear students, we have a three level of packaging. The first one is primary packaging, next secondary packaging, next transportation packaging. Dear students, primary packaging. In this packaging, the product first time packed in a tube, bottle, jar, that is called primary packing. For example, the paste packed in a tube is called primary packaging. Next one, secondary packaging. Dear students, when it is provide the more protection of a primary packing. For example, the tube packed in a cardboard box, that is called secondary packaging. Next one, transport packaging. The goods produced in a one place and consumed the whole countries and the different part of a country. So the firm send the goods from production place to consumption place. So the firm use transports. So it is provide the more protection of secondary packaging, like the cardboard box packed in a container or sent to on production place to consumption place, that is called transportation packaging. Clear? Now we will discuss the benefit or importance of packaging. Dear students, we have a lot of benefit of packaging. The first one is protection. Packaging is always maintain the health of the product. It is not spoil of the product from production to consumption. So packaging is always provide the more protection of the product and maintain the health of the product. Next one, identification. We easily identify the product with the help of packaging, like red labelty, green labelty. According to pack, we can easily identify the product and we can easily purchase. Next one, easy to convenient. Packaging is easily maintain the easy convenience from production to consumption, from seller to customer. Because the product is a packed form, like 100 gram, 200 gram, 300 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, etc. When you are ready to purchase a paste in 250 gram, so it is always in a packed form, in a tube. The seller easily handle to, so they don't create any problem from the handling. and the product is so healthy. So packaging is create the convenient of transfer. Promotion. The attractive packing is always work as a silent salesman. So it is always attract the lot of people. They purchase the goods and enjoy. So it is always work as a promotional tools. Next one, rising standard of health and sanitization. The packaging is always develop the health of the product. When the product is in packed form, so product do not spoil easily and its life is long and we can use for long period. Clear? Next one, self-service outlet. Becoming very popular are in these store. Generally the product is always in a packed form, and the packed form product is always inspire of a customer, they purchase the goods. So it is self-service outlets. Packaging is a self-service outlets because it is always inspire of the people. They are ready to purchase the attractive product, attractive packing. So it is always work as a self-service outlet. So that's your importance of packaging. Clear, beta? The next topic is labeling. What is labeling? Dear students, labeling is a identification marks on a packing. Label is the carrying of information. What is labeling? Dear students, labeling putting the identification mark on the packet. Label is carry of information. Labeling, that is an identification mark. It is put on packed and it is always carry the information regarding of product. Clear? Now we discuss function of labeling. So dear students, labeling is performed a lot of functions. The first one, describe the product and specific its content. Label is always describe the product, content of product, manufacturing date, expiry date, retail price, include tax or ingredients, etc. Labeling also identify the product. You can easily identify the product according to label, like green label, red label, etc. Labeling is always make the grade of a product. You can also give the grading of the product according to label. Means the red label tea, green label tea, according to label, you can easily identify the product. The product is superior or inferior with each other. Next one, promote sales. The label is always promote the sales because the attractive labeling is always as a work as a silent salesman. So they always inspire the lot of customer. They purchase the goods. Next one, provide information required according to law. The label is always give the information regarding of product according to law. It is always describe all the information regarding of product according to law they required before the consumption of a customer. Clear? So, today we are discuss the two questions. The first one is packaging, label of packaging, importance of packaging. Next one, labeling or the function of label. Clear? So dear students, you will prepare the three questions. The first one, what is the meaning of packaging? Briefly explain the level of packaging. Next question, what is packaging? Briefly explain the importance of packaging. Next question, what is labeling? Briefly explain the function of labeling. Clear beta? You will prepare all three questions on your fair copy and you will also learn it. Clear beta? And if you have any problem, you can take doubt anytime. And you will also show your attendance today. Thank you very much beta.